The London North Western Railway opened the line between Manchester and Macclesfield on the 19th of June 1849. On this date, the North Staffordshire Railway completed the Congleton to Macclesfield section on its main Macclesfield to Stoke-on-Trent Norton Bridge line. A new station, managed by a committee of both companies, was opened at Hibble Road a month later, replacing the temporary LNWR station at Beach Bridge. During the 1860s, the North Staffordshire Railway collaborated with the Manchester, Sheffield and Lincolnshire Railway to construct a joint railway between Macclesfield and Marple near Manchester. For the North Stafford, this would provide a route to Manchester independently of the LNWR, and for the MSLR, it provided a link to Stoke-on-Trent and the south. The joint railway was constituted as the Macclesfield, Bollington and Marple Railway. It was opened throughout to a second temporary Macclesfield station for passengers on the 2nd of August 1869 and to goods on the 1st of March 1870. The B&MB then constructed its own permanent Macclesfield station called Macclesfield Central. It was to the south of the LNWR station, which was renamed Macclesfield Hibble Road for clarity. The new MB&M station was connected to the rest of the joint line for goods on the 3rd of April 1871 and opened for passengers on the 1st of July 1873. It closed to all traffic south of Rose Hill in January of 1970. On the 7th of November 1960, British Railways closed Macclesfield Hibble Road, and Macclesfield Central was vastly remodelled and is simply called Macclesfield Station. As with other stations on the West Coast Main Line, Macclesfield Station was rebuilt in the brutalist style of architecture. The beauty of the building was perceived to be its functionality, and its design follows the modernist approach. The station won the Best Kept Station in Cheshire Award in 2007, but was reported in the summer of 2011 for being distinctively shabby with peeling paintwork. There are 3 platforms, but only 2 are in regular use. The up platform for services to Manchester, the down platform to Stoke-on-Trent and Birmingham and beyond, and platform 3 sees a small number of services. Evidence of a 4th platform can be seen, on which a Network Rail building now exists. So let's get started here at Macclesfield with 323236, departing 6 minutes late with a 10:18 northern service from Stoke-on-Trent to Manchester Piccadilly. Arriving next into the station is 319152, working the 10:37 Avanti West Coast service from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. Up next is 220032 and 221130, working the 10:49 cross-country service from Manchester Piccadilly to Reading via Birmingham New Street, Leamington Spa, Coventry, Leamington Spa and Oxford. Next train out for departure is 220021 and 220014, working the 11:01 cross-country service from Bournemouth to Manchester Piccadilly via Stockport. quickly on his heels is 390-008, working the 1106 Avanti West Coast service from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly via Stockport. And here comes our train in the form of 323-225, working the 1117 Northern service from Manchester Piccadilly to Stoke-on-Trent. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.